everyone, my name is Madison Dykes and I'm going to be showing you around a little bit on our educational technology course today and getting you familiar on the D2L site. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, well if you can see my screen here, we are on week 7, which is the screencast, which is what I'm videoing now. But for the week-to-week basis, you're going to have to turn in a attendance report and a weekly feedback report, which is through Google Forms, and they will all be, you'll see your attendance report right here, but you can go under content and find everything. It is separated through each week. So for example, for this week, you can see that Dr. Ty has, for week 1, you're going to check in and submit your attendance report, complete the feedback on Google Forms, and then our assignment. So every week our assignments change, but each week you're still going to have to submit your attendance and fill out a Google form. The attendance reports are real time, so which is really helpful. Dr. Ty has if you go down here, you can see your real-time attendance report here, and you can also get an email back saying it's been recorded, along with your feedback reports. This goes along with Google Forms, Google Docs. You will have to have a Google Drive for the class, so let me show you what that looks like. My computer's being a little slow. Okay, so you'll number it or put the title as 901, and then you're going to have a specific number that Dr. Ty will assign to you. So it'll be your individual class number. So example, mine's 90106, Madison Dykes. And you just open it, and all of your assignments that you do for this class will be in this folder for easy access. So it's not a bad class to navigate or anything, but if you have any questions, just reach out to Dr. Ty or any of the GAs and they'll be happy to help you. Thank you.